These 6 evenings were very special for me. Thank you for creating such spaces, and so nice to be part of this camp and to connect with so many such beautiful souls. Apart from Hasnainji, many of your sharing also has helped a lot. I have not much thought gone into reading or understanding spirituality, but whatever I could know, like for me, the spiritual teaching has come mostly from my mother and friends later who introduced me to Kabir and Sufi saints, listening to their songs. So I was like guided by that mostly. And in these 6 days, I was able to see myself where I am. And the way I understand is uh, knowing is easy. Even observing is easy, but living is the toughest. And having known so much by just living and by grown-ups, and I know so much, I feel, but living and knowing, there is so much gap, and hopefully all that we are exposed to in these 6 days will help us. It will help me to actually live, and I hope that. And thank you so much, Hasnainji, for guiding us through this. Thank you so much, and everyone, Vineet and Meenakshi and
मैं बहुत बहुत आभार और धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा हसनैन जी, आप सभी का, पार्टिसिपेंट्स का भी, जिन्होंने अपने रिफ्लेक्शंस भी यहाँ साझा किए। और जो भी बातें यहाँ हुई, एक्चुअली मैं बहुत समय से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, लेकिन इस तरह के जो कोर्सेस हैं, जो रेयरली जो बातें यहाँ कही गई हैं, बिल्कुल डीप इंसाइट्स हैं। और जिस तरह से स्टोरीज और ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारी बातें जो लोगों ने शेयर करी, खासकर जो हसनैन जी का तरीका है स्टोरीज बताने का और अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से कनेक्ट करके बातें कहने का, बहुत इफेक्टिव था और बहुत बहुत उपयोगी रहा। और आगे भी मैं आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कनेक्ट विद द ग्रुप। थैंक्स।
What do you say? An exploratory journey for me as well, and I was also very skeptical कि हाँ क्या होगा, क्या सीखेगा, etc. So I would not claim that, oh my God, I've changed so much. I do not claim that, but I have got so many insights. And one key insight, even to what I just said before also, and that I got today mainly, is you have to be ready for learning, and you have to be ready to gain the knowledge. And I have experienced this particular bit in my own life when I have undergone some sort of a transformational journey 6 years back. So moving from proper engineering sector to development sector, there was some calling there also. And there are a lot of even I've been exploring spirituality thoda. Even I have picked up few things through this journey, and a lot of such similar things where I was confused, I got validation of those insights here in these 6 days. So yeah, a lot of insights and a lot of mysteries and a lot of questions as well. I mean, like I said, I don't think I've transformed completely, but there is definitely a lot of insight. And what I believe and what I wish to do is transform myself to be ready to learn or to experience such experience.
I got so much clarity in this particular foundation camp, and through this camp, at least I could, I was able to see my nerves very clearly. और जहाँ पे मैं अपने आप को self defend कर रही थी. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say. At least through this 6-day journey, I was able to see the nerves जहाँ पे I need to work on. Thank you so much, everyone, especially Hasnain sir, for bringing this camp and taking us on this journey. Thank you.
काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला है सफ़र में। मैं कुछ चीज़ें तो जानता था, पर उनके बारे में जो इनसाइट्स हसनैन जी ने शेयर की और बाकी सब फ्रेंड्स ने ग्रुप में शेयर की, तो उससे एक कलेक्टिवली कम्युनल कुछ इंसाइट सामने आई जिनके बारे में मैं सोचता भी था और वर्ड्स नहीं होते थे कई बार मेरे पास कि उनको किस तरह से डिफाइन करें। वो सब चीज़ें सामने आई और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फॉर यू फॉर हैविंग मी, और आगे भी आपके साथ जुड़े रहने का अभी इरादा है मेरा।
एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी, आई डिडंट नो कैसा होगा, एंड जनरली इन लाइफ मैं काफी सिनिकल और स्केप्टिकल हूँ व्हेन इट कम्स टू पीपल हु क्लेम दैट दे नो अबाउट फिलोसफी और स्पिरिचुअलिटी, बट मुझे और ये भी लग रहा था कि 2.5 hours is too much, but in the last 5 days I saw myself actually being excited and interested to learning about जो भी सेशन में हुआ। मैं कभी भी बोर नहीं हुई at all. Instead, I had all these questions that came to mind जो मुझे खुद पता भी नहीं था कि I really think about, या फिर मेरे दिमाग में ये doubts हैं। And I think the best part was कि एक तो हसनैन जी is very honest, open, and होता है काफी टाइम that जो कोच होता है या मेंटर होता है, जो फैसिलिटेटर होता है, they usually end up being arrogant or they treat the other people or the participants in a way जहाँ पे उनको झिझकते हैं वो क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए। बट ये इतना ओपन एंड वार्म एनवायरनमेंट था। also I mean, I'm very grateful to all the people, all the participants here also, because I realized कि जब वो लोग vulnerable हो रहे थे तब मुझे vulnerable होने की वो क्या बोलते हैं क्षमता मिली, and I absolutely enjoyed my experience, and I had never really studied about spirituality as such before this. I was always interested, but मैंने कभी वो कदम नहीं उठाया था. So I think this is like my first step on that journey consciously, and I don't think I would want to stop here now.